Remember, Nana Bhanti Rama Avatara Ramayana Shata Koti Apara. Different Brahmans, Ram descends in different ways, doing different leelas. Each time the leela is different. This Ram Leela in the Ramcharitmanas or the Valmiki Ramayana is a drop of the vast ocean of Ram Leelas. Hence, Kagbhushundi says, Prati Brahmanda Ram Avatara Bala Vinod Dekhahu Apara. He is a devotee of the Bal Leela of Ram. So wherever the avatar of Ram takes place, he goes and witnesses the Bal Leela. This time, what happened was that the four Kumars, after Brahma, they are the senior most in age in our universe. And these four Kumars, they are illumined souls. Their mind is absorbed in Brahma Gyan. So they refuse to grow up from the childhood form. If we cross the childhood form, then desire may overcome us. So we will always remain children. In that childhood form, they travel all over the universe. Like celestial sage Narad. One day these four Kumars went to the divine abode of Lord Narayan in Vaikuntha. So the two Dwarpals of Narayan, Jai and Vijay, were there at the gate. They stopped them. Hey, stop. Where are you going? The four Kumars became annoyed. You are stopping us? You don't know who we are? In that anger, they cursed Jai and Vijay. Now you will say, if these four Kumars are God-realized saints, how come they became angry? Krodha ki dvaita buddhi binu, dvaita ki binu agyan. Anger comes in dualistic intellect, and dualistic intellect comes with ignorance. And the four Kumars don't have any ignorance. So where is the dualistic intellect? Where is the anger? How come these four Kumars became angry? This is the Leela. See, God and the saints together, they do the Leela. One becomes Jnani, one becomes Ajnani. As Ajnani, he's questioning. Arjuna is questioning. As Jnani, he's answering. Sri Krishna is answering. This is the Leela. You know, when the movie is created, the director cannot make it alone. He needs a hero, he needs a heroine, he needs a villain. So when Ram is going to do his Leela, he needs a villain out there. So who will be the villain? Not an ordinary person, only a saint can fight with God. So Ram is saying, Jai and Vijay, you have to go. So these four Kumars became annoyed and they cursed them. Become Rakshasas forever. Are Maharaj, you say something so inauspicious, please. In the meantime, Narayan came. He said, forgive them, they made a mistake. So they said, all right. Either you go for 7 births to Mrityulok as devotees, or go for 3 births as Rakshasas. So they chose that we want to finish it quickly, we'll go as Rakshasas. So those two, Jai and Vijay, they came down as Ravan and Kumbhakarna. They were saints, they were not Rakshasas. That is why it is once Mandodari, when Sita was in Ashok Vatika, Mandodari said that, my dear husband Ravan, if you are so desirous of Sita, You have got Rakshasi Maya. Why don't you take on the form of Ram and go to her? Fulfill your desire? Ravan said, Mandodari, what are you saying? When I ever think of the form of Ram, I feel so much of delight and pleasure and joy. How can I do such a terrible thing in that form? While listening to the Ramayana, we are sometimes filled with negativity towards Kaikeyi. She is amongst the worst patras of the Ram Leela. However, the Ram Leela takes place according to the wish of Ram. Kaikeyi became an instrument for that. That is why internally she was a great devotee of Ram. It is said, there are different Ramayans, and one of the Ramayans in South India, it says that Kaikeyi was exceptionally fond of Ram. And as a child, she would always keep Ram with her. So one day Ram said that, Mother, will you do one work for me? Kaikeyi said, tell me. Ram said that this work which I am going to ask you to do, for this you will have to become a widow and I will have to go to the forest. So Kaikeyi said, what kind of work is this? Ram said, it is very necessary. I have to fulfill the reason why I have come on this earth. And you are the one who can get it done. You have 2 boons remaining with Dashrath. And those 2 boons you will have to ask at the right time. Will you do it? Kaikeyi said, if it is your desire to fulfill it is my duty, I will do it. So in order to be able to do that, Kaikeyi started distancing herself from Ram. Otherwise she would not have the courage and strength to ask for those boons. So that is why Kaikeyi was actually a great devotee. In the Adhyatma Ramayana, Valmiki Ji Maharaj says, Natemba madhyama tata garhitavya kadachana. Kaikeyi, you are my beloved mother. You shall go along with me to my Saket Lok. And Tulsidas Ji Maharaj says, Janani dosha dehi jadatehi sapnehu sadhu sabha nahi. Oh, Mother Kaikeyi, only those people will fault you who have not understood the Leela Rahasya through Satsang. See, there was one Kaikeyi in Treta Yuga. After that, there has been no other Kaikeyi, right? Nobody has named their daughter Kaikeyi. Why? Because the name Kaikeyi suggests anti-Ram. And Ram is saying, you're my dear mother. Only a great saint can do this role. Why? We will be blamed forever in history. So the saint says, who cares? If my Lord needs it, I am willing. Selfless saint. So Kaikeyi is such a selfless saint, and Ram respects her. So now she should not feel hurt. He went first to offer his pranam to her, then to Sumitra. Sumitra's tremendous sacrifice. Her son has come to guard him, and then to Kaushalya.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Hare